My name is Sheri Castle. I found it to be very convenient. There was very open communication. The contractor that I worked with at the company, Laurent, he was very easy to reach, would share opinions, share ideas. I also work closely with Maya, who I love. Some of the key things that I can think of off the top of my head, Laurent had set up a shared notes program on our phones. And so there was very frequent, easy communication to share ideas. I knew that every wall, every ceiling, every floor, everything was going to be gutted and redone. Every bathroom, everything. You know, I would come to the house and there would be 2, 3, 4 crews happening at once. I mean, that was awesome. They got it done in time. And this is an industry that, you know, when somebody says 4 months, you automatically think 6 to 8, because it's unfortunate but true that there's just a reputation in the industry that, you know, whatever time frame, at 50%, you know, and that didn't happen. I'm very happy with the finish. I love the countertops. I mean, there's certain things that are practical, and then other things that I think are kind of wow. The master bathroom, the shower, it looks gorgeous. It makes me think of a spa. The patio, I'm very, very happy with.